Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. So this is gonna be the update made today. It's February 27. Okay, so we came across some borrowers that are specifically mentioning that they don't want any merchant cash advance loan. Okay, and a lot of us have been saying just okay, sure, no problem. Okay, we'll go ahead and make sure that you don't get MCA loans. Okay, in reality, guys, most of our lenders are giving MCA loans. And I hope you have come across our Facebook page or the website that we advertise merchant cash advance lead. I'm gonna just share you how it's being cascaded in Facebook. So Synergy Direct Solution is one of our Facebook page. So we offer exclusive, semi-exclusive, non-exclusive MCA leads. So having that said, the lenders who buys leads from us are expecting merchant cash advance leads. Thus, we have to kind of set expectation that they're going to be getting merchant cash advance loan. And I'm talking about the borrowers having a type of loan coming from the lenders. Okay, so if someone says that they don't want a merchant cash advance loan or a merchant an MCA type of loan, we want to be honest. We kind of are using the go-to script, but again, this script is specifically going to be made if if the borrower says that they don't want MCA loan. This is what we want to say. I totally respect you on that. Most of our products are MCA loans, and that's true. That's setting of expectation. Most of our products are MCA loans. However, we still can possibly help you by having you listen to our lender's offer. They may have other type of loan aside from MCA. All you have to do is to listen to each one of them and make your choice based on what's best for your business. Okay, it's still the go-to script though, but we are trying to tell the borrower and set their expectation that most of our products are MCA loan, because that's what the lenders are offering, MCA loan. Okay, if you have any question, I think this is very self-explanatory, but I'm gonna have to create a video for everyone to get a streamlined information. So any question, feel free to ask me or any team leads. Thanks so much. You do have a great day.